Somebody get ready.
Don't you have to be in the shooting box before you take your first shots?
Yes,
I am. I just get the side picture.
Okay.
I'll probably do it now that I've practiced it, but
That's me. I got half timers, so not full on Alzheimer's yet, just half timers.
Shooter ready?